gonna try and do this in one take, without me doing any cuts. Alright, where do I start? So, this is gonna be my first day trading video I'm gonna release on this account. I'm just gonna be trying to be like super transparent with my trading and my journey. Talk about like psychology, mental health, Christianity, and obviously trading in general. Keep it a buck. My mental state right now is at like top 5 all-time lows. Clarity's at an all-time low, 100%. Day trading is the only thing keeping me sane. I really want to start day trading just because like I've been looking online for years and years to try and find something that like actually resonated with me for a job or for a career. I tried drop shipping, tried SMMA, tried consulting. It was all horrible. Cost so much money. Mentorship cost so much money. And all the free YouTube tutorials were horrible. So I started up with day trading, listening to TGR. Guy's a genius, honestly. I love his content so much. He's such an inspiration. My whole kind of goal with day trading and my kind of road of entrepreneurship and making my own career instead of taking the traditional route of going to university and getting a job is I really strive to want to be retiring my parents. And that's what I'm passionate about. I don't want to be doing a job that I don't want to do for my whole life. Anyway, so that's just kind of like a little overlook of what this channel is going to be. A little background of me, why I'm day trading. I'll fill in the gaps a little bit more later on. Kind of build upon my story and build upon what I'm like, why I'm day trading, why I want to be doing it. So for today, the video will be. Alright, so I got cut off. Where was I at? Oh yeah, today, trading day. I was honestly pretty tired this morning. I wasn't thinking straight. I kind of saw an entry point that I wanted to get hit at. I set it up all right, and then I just kind of left my chart on the singular future. I should have been looking at NQ at the same time, but I was just like, ES is leading. I'm just going to be looking at that. Why would I look at NQ? And NQ is where I would have caught my entry and where my entry that I wanted to be taking would have actually panned out properly. So I was just mad lazy this morning. You'll see that in the rest of the video here. I'll put in that footage. I'm just trying to figure out right now, and I want feedback on like my trading skills, my content creation, what people want to see in videos and stuff like that. Because I don't know if it's like more ideal for me to be just putting out like kind of a live trading recap, like literally film and upload, don't edit anything, or if I should just be including the more important parts, the more essential parts of the trading day and upload that. I think eventually I'll probably film some like lifestyle type videos as well, like content, but that's not till this channel's a little bit better established. I got some followers, people are actually watching. But yeah, even just like a singular comment and opinion of somebody be greatly appreciated. I gotta roll a video of me trading today. That's it for now. Peace. start to the morning. We logged in though. So after yesterday, which I think I'm gonna upload that video because I took a horrible trade. Last 2 days have not been good. Down nearly 2K, like more like 1,800, but anyways. I kind of suspected that either, however, after market close yesterday, we would either run down to this low, which was on an SMT on the high time frame, or that we would take it out early today, and that did happen in pre-market. So I think we're going to make a swap probably to the upside, seeing that we've swept this liquidity. We'll probably be seeking out some highs. We have quite the number of stacked up highs. Got our Asian high, our previous day high, and yeah, like a bunch of stacked up relative equal highs. So hopefully we make a push for those today. I can mark out the same thing on NQ. Oops. If I'm gonna trade, I'll probably be trading ES, just because it's the leading index to the upside. Off open, we're not really doing a whole lot here. And it is possible that ES is going to want to come down and take out these lows. Yeah, it looks like we're going to be having ES push for the lows, which is just fine with me. That means that NQ took out our linen low, or NQ took out our linen low. So we'll probably seek out, these lows. It is possible that we just keep ripping down, and if it does, I'm honestly not going to bother trading today. I'm fine to be a little bit down in the week. That's just okay with me. Like, if I can find an entry, obviously I'll take it, but otherwise I'm pretty happy to just not really properly trade this week. Yesterday's trade was a definite FOMO moment. Not my proudest trade, but it happens from time to time. Maybe NQ was just trying to take out that low and push up. So I can actually use this old hourly as, I guess, a BPR really. And inside of that, we'll do a 15-minute inverse fair value gap for our entry today. Let's see if we can find this on ES, because that's where we're going to be wanting to trade. What do we got here? Yeah, the 1 hour. And it sits just right above. Yeah, I think we can make a good setup out of that. I prefer to trade yesterday. It's been a little more consistent in terms of price action than NQ. A little less volatile on the lower time frames, I should say. In general, they're obviously comparable. Where's my phone? I gotta turn this music down. Okay. And actually, what taking this low out has done is create an SMT, so long as we don't end up taking out the low on ES, we have a good 1 hour to be targeting these highs. So we will mark this out black for our SMT. Actually, I think we'll mark it out blue. And there's no news today, really. Just a couple yellow folder, pretty insignificant news. Some lower down FOMC members speaking, and natural gas storages are being released today. So nothing too crazy at all. Next week looks like it's going to be a bit of a better trading week. We got some actual, news that's not just yellow folder and basically no news days. And no bank holidays like we had this week on Tuesday. Okay, so if NQ... No, definitely not. Okay. Never mind. What I'm going to do for my entry on ES is I'll have two buy limits. I'll have one here. If we retrace, we go above and then we come back down and hit this level. And if we're kind of stuck up in here and we're kind of consolidating, I'll also set a buy limit here. I guess the other one just disappeared, but we'll have one here in case we tap into this 1 hour old kind of fair value. I kind of call it a BPR in my opinion. So we got like a 1 hour inverse BPR, I guess it would be. It's really just an inverse fair value gap. And then we have our 15-minute inverse fair value gap. So whichever one gets filled out first, and then we'll just rock with that position. And I will probably target I doubt we're going to be able to make it up all the way here. I'll probably target some, maybe I'll try and target like a fair value gap for, I think overall I want to get entered here, stop loss here, target here. I don't think that's going to happen. So if need be, I'll probably just take profit here. I'll probably have my stop loss below this fair value gap. I could also really just target the Asian high. It's a little low though. I think I'll do this. If price action's really, really ripping, I'll definitely try and go for this, at least this. I kind of doubt we're gonna fill out like a
big SMT like this in one day. That's a lot of movement for one day. What would we be looking at if I get entered here and take profit all the way up here? I think that's pretty wild. I don't think that's gonna happen. This is reasonable though, and this is definitely reasonable. Anyways, we're just gonna kind of sit on the 15-minute. And wait for a good entry. All right. Now that we've popped above this order block, or we are popping above it, I'm gonna set this entry point right here and target this Asian high for now. If it could fucking show up. Oh my god. I'm gonna fucking kill somebody. Dude. Look in trading view. What are we doing? Oh my god. You fucking ape. Fucking. Thank you. Holy shit. So we're sitting at like a solid 1-2 right now. I'm hoping we can get entered in right here. If not, I'll probably just be ready at the buy if we push above this, like if we close above it. Actually, you know what? I'm pretty confident we can hit this price point. And if not, you'll wait for a close above and then a tap into this 15-minute gap. Because we haven't even closed above the order block yet. Okay. If we get a close above, I'm ready to just pop a position. Oh my god. Ready to just pop a buy order right there and then set our loss to here. And yet again, take profit. We'll set that there for now. If we close above. Come on, brother. We need to retrace down. Bad. Bird. Are you serious? I'm just honestly not trade for right now. Probably no trade week for me. I'm gonna try and be looking mom at school. I'm sure NQ ended up having some good entry. Yeah, it looks like it. That's unfortunate. Oh well. Oh well. I will trade next week. I should have been watching NQ. Anyways, peace for now.